At Unimech, sustainability is not an option. It is a responsibility. Guided by our environmental goals, we drive multiple initiatives with one clear purpose: responsible growth. Our commitment is defined: to reduce greenhouse gas emissions by 80% and cut waste by 50% by 2030. One initiative restores nature by planting trees across our campus, creating a greener, healthier workplace. Another initiative powers progress. As part of our environmental goals, we installed a 550 kilowatt solar power system at our facility. With 887 high-efficiency solar panels, each rated at 620 watts, the system generates around 2,750 units of clean energy every day. That adds up to nearly 1 million units of clean energy annually, allowing our campus to operate on 1 million units of carbon-free electricity each year. By doing so, we prevent nearly 820 tons of carbon dioxide emissions annually, ensuring cleaner operations and sustainable growth. Because when energy is clean, operations are efficient, and growth becomes responsible. At Unimech, we don't just manufacture for today, we power tomorrow sustainably.